Welcome to the Mastering AMC8, presented by Inside Education. In this series, we will review all the past papers from recent decades. Let's start.
Let's move on to question 25. So 1 inch square cut from the corner of this 5-inch square. So what is the area in square inches of the largest square that can fit into the remaining space? So where should we start? So how could we put a square? How could we fit a square into this diagram? So first of all, we can just put a 3 by 3 square in this diagram like this, right? But is this the largest square we could get? So we can see that we can just tilt this square a little bit, and then we can just make the size larger, right? If we just keep tilting and enlarging this square, so we can see. So what would happen? What is the process? It would be something like this, right? So okay. So we can see this is the largest square we can have in this diagram, okay? Because we can see that now we cannot tilt this square furthermore. So how could we work out the area of this one? So basically, we can just divide this large square into several different parts. It could be something like this. We can just divide this large square into a small square and 4 triangles. And how should we work out the area of each part? So first of all, what is the area of the smaller square in the middle? What is the dimension of this smaller square? So because for the original square, the side length is 5, right? And this is 1, this is also 1. So what is the side length of this part? This is 3, right? So we can see in the middle, this is a 3 by 3 smaller square. So the area should be 9. And then what is the area of the triangle? Okay. So we can see that the base equals 3, right? The length of the base equals 3. And what is the height on the base? This is also 1, right? So what is the area of this triangle? It should be 1/2 times 3 times 1. So we have 3/2 or 1.5. So what is the total area of this large square? It should be the sum of the small square plus the area of this triangle, which is 3/2, right? Times 4, right? Because we have 4 such triangle. So it should be 9 plus 6. So we've got 15, right? So this is the total area of this large square. So that's how we work out this one. We just divide the original square into different parts, and then we just add the area of these parts together to get the final answer. Okay, so that's how we work out this one. Okay, so that's all the contents for AMC8 2015 paper. Okay, and thank you for listening. So see you next time. So see you. Bye bye.